When we're looking for an AI chat app that does it all, writing help, brainstorming, coding support, visual ideas, choosing the right one can make a big difference in how you work. Today we're looking at Poe and ChatGPT Free. Both promise powerful AI chat, but they approach it somewhat differently, and depending on how you work, one might fit you better than the other. Let's start with Poe. Poe is built as a one-stop chat AI platform. It gives access to multiple models inside one app. For example, you can switch between different model bots that specialize in writing, coding, image generation, or general advice. You can invite several bots into the same chat thread, compare responses, and pick what works. For creators, that means you can brainstorm an idea, generate visuals, get captions, and tweak code, all inside one flow. Its promise is flexibility. On the flip side, because you are choosing between bots and models, the experience may require a little more exploration. You may need to figure out which model fits your task best. Poe's strength is breadth. The trade-off is slightly more setup up front. Now let's talk about ChatGPT Free. ChatGPT's free tier gives you access to the core chat experience from the same company that built the premier GPT models. You're getting a polished, consistent conversational interface. It offers text-based chats, asking questions, writing help, coding help, and in many cases newer features like image inputs or uploads. Because it's the base tier, the learning curve is very low. You open the app or browser, ask a question, and get help. For many users, that straightforwardness is a big plus. However, the free version may have more usage limits, slower pace under load, or fewer options compared to paid tiers. But in short, ChatGPT Free is very good if you want one reliable assistant and less experimentation between model options. In the end, both Poe and ChatGPT Free are excellent tools. Neither is perfect or replaces your creativity. The tool amplifies it. The best one for you is the one you will use regularly. So pick one, test it, integrate it into your workflow, and make it part of your daily toolkit.